do something about it before you even wear it.
Even bloggers are talking about the broadband deal, but many more internet fanatics are going crazy about the longer version of Brad Pitt's Troy. These and more as our correspondent Jovi Francisco gets sidetracked.
These past few days, palace officials have been quiet about the ZTE contract. They say sub judice they will start talking about it. But in contrast, a lot of bloggers on the net have been talking about it. Just head to Manolo Quezon's site, quezon.ph, and get the links of the sites that discuss the ZTE issue. Then click the funny site of Professional Heckler, professionalhecklerblogcity.com, for a satirical take on the controversy. Today, E.S. Ermita explained the story behind these photos that came out of Inquirer.net site. He says that what he was handing to the president wasn't Hello Garci related, but was actually a DVD of the Reagan-time political book, Power Game. But reporters noticed something wrong about the picture and the claim of Ermita. Why? Because what he's handing PJ May in the picture wasn't a DVD, but a CD. And then there's the issue of Malu Fernandez again. Ever since she resumed her column last Monday, the anger of the bloggers is now directed to Manila Standard Today and Emil Jurado. About 2,000 blog entries about the issue based on Technorati, and there are countless comments posted on each of those blog entries. Tingog.com and AboutMyRecovery.com renewed their call for a boycott of MST. Manuel Viloria asks, is the issue bad for MST, or will it benefit its online version in the end because of the hits it will garner? Anton slammed Emil Jurado for defending Malu, while Exotic Maiden defended Malu. And now for the funny things on the net. Very famous nowadays is this video made by a Pinoy, the Ilonggo version of Troy.
Isog ka ha. Tonton! 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 Ito. Maninang oras na ginahulat ko. Sorry lagi kung may ko nakaulang ibo mga chorizo. Okay lang na, Tonton. Tonton!
Remember that is just part of a series, so go ahead and go to youtube.com and search for Tonton. Before we go, President Arroyo will be going to Sydney, Australia tomorrow for the APEC Summit. To know more about the annual meet and the agenda for this year, click www.apec2007.org. I'm Jovi and I still cover politics here in Malacanang. Just sidetrack by the things we see on the net.
Next on Centro, a noted balloonist disappears in a light plane. And Kobe Bryant star dazzles his fans in Manila. Abroad, famed balloonist Steve Fossett vanishes in a light plane. And in sports, base star Kobe Bryant shows them how in Metro Manila. Philippines and our viewers on Mabuhay Channel, thanks for watching. I'm Martin Andonar, and this is ABC.